Hello, Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. After completing the preparatory series of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad for grade 5, 6, and 7, we are going to start the preparatory series for Silver Zone Science Olympiad for grade 5th, 6th, 7, and 8. Here, we solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. Each question of every exercise will be well explained. Each chapter contains 40 questions, which is divided into two part videos of 20 and 20 questions for all four grades. Every week, we release one video of each class, that is Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday for grade 8, 7, 6, and 5, respectively. To get the videos at your earliest, subscribe our channel and hit the bell button so that you can be ready for your Olympiad exam on time. And do share the video with your friends so that all the Olympiad aspirants can be benefited. And my one request is that please mention your feedback in the comment section. Actually, it means a lot for me and motivates me to make such videos. Thank you. Now let's start. Grade 7 Silver Zone Comprehensive Book, Chapter 5, Weather, Climate and Adaptation of Animals to Climate. Video Part 1, Question number 1. Area around the equator which is heated by the direct rays of sun is North Pole, South Pole, Visit Zone, Torrid Zone, and none of these. So you can see in this picture, the North Pole is the upper part and the South Pole is this one, and Frigid Zone. Frigid Zone is written here. So it is your North Frigid Zone and this is your South Frigid Zone. Okay. So where is the uh, ray of sun is directly hitting the earth. So you can see the direct ray is coming in this area and this zone is known as torrid zone. So answer will be option D. First answer is option D. Question number 2. Major elements of weather at a place are. So weather is the temporary condition or you can say the present condition of any place. Okay, and the present condition of any place will be defined as the with the temperature, humidity and sunlight. So answer will be your all of the above. Second answer is option D. Question number 3. Scientific study of weather. So what is the who tells about the weather? The Department of Weather or the Department of Science in which we study about the weather, that is your meteorology. Okay. The third answer will be option C. Question number 4. Animal which lives in the polar region is. So I have shown here the animals who live in the polar region and you can find the musk ox, it is here, seal, it is also here, penguin here. So we can see all of the animals are living in the polar region. The fourth answer will be your option D. Question number 5. The relative humidity is measured with an instrument. So barometer measures your pressure. Barometer measures the atmospheric pressure. Ammeter measures the electric current. Okay. And hygrometer measures your relative humidity. The answer will be C. And crescograph measures the length of the plant, means the growth of the plant. Okay, so actually the plant growth with the time is very very small. So that's why the crescograph takes the precise length, okay, of the growing plant. Answer will be your option C. Fifth answer is option C. Question number 6. Which of the following is not an adaptation of the polar bear? They have large ears. No, polar bear does not have large ears. You can see in the picture also. Okay. They have very strong sense of smell. So yes, it is correct. They are good swimmers. So yes, they are good swimmers. Their feet are adopted for grasping the branches of trees firmly. No, on the polar region there is not so many trees on which the polar bear need to climb. So that's why this is not their adaptation. The sixth answer will be 1 and 4. It is available in your option C. The sixth answer is option C. Question number 7. Which of the following briefly describe tropical rainforest? So, tropical rainforest, actually in the tropical region, there is lot of rain also, and due to the direct uh, heating of the sun, those regions are hot also. So that's why we'll choose the hot and wet weather. Okay. So seventh answer will be option D. Question number 8. Birds are adopted to fly because they have light bones. Yes. Streamlined body. Yes, which reduces the friction of air. Feathers and wings. Yes, they have feathers and wings. That's why they can fly easily. So all of them. Answer will be your 8D. Question number 9. A place is known to have a hot climate. Then which of the following factors is not responsible for hot climate? The distance of that place from the equator, it affects the yes, it affects the climate uh, of that zone. Okay, so it affects humidity of the air. It also affects the climate. Population of that place, no. Population of that place cannot affect the climate so much. Distance of the earth from the sea, it also affect the weather and climate. So ninth answer will be your option C. Question number 10. A region with dense vegetation of trees, shrubs, herbs, and also a variety of animals like elephant, lions, and birds, etc. is a. In which region these herbs, shrubs, elephant, animals all are found? So, all are mainly found in the tropical region. Mainly found in the tropical region. So, the answer will be your 10D. Question number 11. Dash instrument is used to measure the amount of rain which falls. The Richter scale measure for the earthquake, barometer already taught you, pressure, thermometer, temperature, rain gauge is used for the amount, for checking the amount of rain. Rain gauge you can say, rain gauge. The C. 11th answer will be option C. Question number 12. The given characteristics best represent which of the following zone is bounded on the north by Tropic of Cancer. So you can just see, I'm just using red line here, Tropic of Cancer. Okay. Area, sorry, our region of Earth surrounding the equator. So this is your equator. Okay. Consist of rainforest, dry deciduous forest, desert, etc. Means this area is bounded in south by Tropic of Capricorn. So Tropic of Capricorn, this one. So you can easily tell this is your torrid zone. Okay, this is your torrid zone. The answer will be option C. 12th answer is option C. Question number 13. Dash region is the coldest region. Actually, polar region is the coldest region, and in the polar region, the frigid zone. This part, this is the North Pole, this is the South Pole, and this zone is known as frigid zone. The 13th answer will be option C. Question number 14. Few characteristics of animal are given below. Red eyes, red eyes, very good eyesight, sticky pad on its feet, get food from fruits. So which of the following characteristics does not belong to red eye frog? कौन सा है जो कि आपके रेड आई फ्रॉग से नहीं करता है? तो गेट फूड फ्रॉम फ्रूट्स, दिस इज रॉन्ग बिकॉज frog eat the insects. Okay, answer will be your option D. The 14th answer is option D. Question number 15. Animal with silver white mane which surrounds its head from the cheeks down to its chin. So this one, this is your lion-tailed macaw. This is your lion-tailed macaw. The 15th answer is C. Question number 16. These animals have a highly developed sense of smell, can run very fast, have long, strong, and sharp claws in their front leg to catch their prey. So these are your tokens: big cats, elephants, and monkeys. So the animal who has the very highly developed sense of smell, those are your big cats. Those are your big cats. And big cat example of the big cats are lion, tiger, leopards. These are the example of big cats. So answer will be option B. So 16th answer is option. Question number 17. Highest day temperature and lowest day temperature of the day explains. Only the maximum temperature recorded daily in the weather report, only the minimum temperature recorded daily in the weather report, maximum and minimum temperature recorded in the weather report, or all of them. So highest day temperature means maximum temperature recorded, and lowest night temperature means minimum temperature recorded. So answer will be C. The 17th answer is option C. Question number 18. Dash and dash conditions are described the desert climate. So you know desert are the uh, very hot and dry. Okay, desert is hot and dry. There is no humidity. So 18th answer will be your option D. Question number 19. Long inactivity and metabolic depression of animal during summer is known as. So when there is the too high summer, peak summer season, some animals just become inactive for the summer season. So this process is known as estivation. Being the inactiveness of these animals is known as estivation. The 19th answer will be option B. Okay. Question number 20. Which of the following is the circle of latitude in near the frigid zone of the earth? So frigid zone, this is your frigid zone, and what is this circle is known as? So this circle is your Arctic circle. This circle is the Arctic circle. So 20 answer will be option B. Okay. Thank you for watching this video completely. I want to share one more information with you, which can boost your Olympiad preparation. Actually, we are going to launch Olympiad courses on our app F2S Olympiads classes. You can download it from the Play Store. These courses are available for the subject Maths and Science for grade 2 to 8. In this course, you will find all the Olympiad related study materials, chapter wise question paper, and test series for the complete syllabus. Using this app, you can check the level of your Olympiad preparation as well as you can gear up your study. Go and download this app and check the courses. It is available at very nominal cost. And if you have any doubt related to the worksheet explained or about the app, you can write your doubt in the comment section. I will definitely answer it. Thank you.